Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to clean up messy or fuzzy data in Google Sheets using case functions. Let's start with column A, where we have some text that needs cleaning up. In cell B2 we will use the formula that's equals to upper open parenthesis, then select cell A2, close parenthesis and press enter to convert the text in A2 to uppercase. This will make all the text in cell A2 capital letters. Moving on to cell C2, we will use lower to convert the text in A2 to lowercase. This will transform all the text in cell A2 into lowercase letters. Now, for the proper case, in cell D2, we will use proper. This function will capitalize the first letter of each word in the text in cell A2. And there you have it. With just a few simple formulas, you can easily convert text to upper, lower or proper case in Google Sheets. For more helpful tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more notification on our latest Google Sheets tutorials.